Okay, here it is, a Pro 4 now, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video of mochi squishies. But my mom is paying in the GPay right now, so wait in a minute. Okay, here it is, package. I don't really know.
Roblox Sims 4.
Definitely strong to rip off this package. Yes, here it is! Oh my gosh. Definitely so cute. Oh my gosh, here it is, the package. Hey, it's a pig. It's a little piggy. So cute. It's a pig. It's so cute. It's definitely so sweet.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, my brother. It is literally so cute. I'm gonna open more of these. I dump it all out. Oh, this is like a bird. I've never seen that bird. It's hard to open. This one. Let's open it. It feels like jelly. My dad bought me this. On my exam, I got a pass and A, and my dad bought me. Ooh. So for about my brother talking. Oh, it's like a little tiger. It's like a little white tiger. Yeah, so really so cute. It's a chicken right here. I saw on the thumbnail on the Amazon. When I open all of these, I'm gonna make sure it's 12 of them. So cute. Oh, that one is pop. Yes. I said when I got the panda, I'll call her Juicy. My brother is going to take one. Which one do you want? There's a chicken, a pig, a white tiger, and like a blue, a bunny, a cloud, a panda. Yeah. Oh, a little kitty. It smells like extra. It's so cute. This smells kind of bad. I'm gonna count them to know that there is a 12 pack of them. Oh, starfish. It's really stretchy. And another kitty. It's really cute. There's a lot of kitty packs in here. Ooh. And make sure it's 12 of them. Oh, sunshine! Ooh! I love this day. Ooh! Little sunshine! I'm gonna call him Sunshine. Okay, this little kitty. I'm gonna count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, I lost my counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, it's 12. Which one do you want? I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, my brother gave one. As you can see, this is 1, 2. How many places? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, is there a 12? Wait, I think I lost my counting again. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it is 11. Look at this little bunny, it's so cute. I'm gonna go wash them with this. Dump them all in. Dump them all in. Woo! Woo! Okay, you can wash them, or else they might get dirty. Okay. This is the sink. Scared that my phone might fall. Okay. Put it in the water. Add some soap. Some hand soap. Mix it on. Okay, I'm done washing them. First, and dry them. Okay, got them in the towel. And now, here I go. That's for today, guys. Bye. See you